Naengganyo akong mag-open ng account dito sa Uno Digital Bank dahil sa mataas na interest rate sa time deposit which is 6.5% per annum. And just like with other investment, syempre kailangan muna nating pag-aralan ang company bago tayo maglagay ng pera dito. So ito yung kanilang CEO at siya rin ang founder ng Uno Digital Bank. So ang sabi niya, Uno Digital Bank sets its sights on being Filipino's top virtual bank. So what makes Uno Digital Bank stand out from other banks? Uno Digital Bank is fully digital. Personalization will also be at the forefront of Uno's technology. So using AI and data analytics, so they will be able to offer customers customized products ease. Sa ngayon, ni-launch na nila yung savings account na merong Mastercard, virtual, and physical debit card. And then meron din silang time deposit. So this will be followed closely by their loans and insurance products. And then next year, magkakaroon din daw sila ng investment and crypto products. Okay, so exciting. So now I'm going to talk about the key features of Uno Digital Bank. The first one is yung high interest rate. For savings, deposits of 5,000 pesos and up will get an interest of 4.25% per annum. And for below 5,000 pesos naman na deposit, interest rate is 3.5% per annum. And for time deposits, ang tawag nila Uno Boost. So interest is 6.5% per annum, payout at maturity. Sa lahat ng mga interest dito ay subject to 20% withholding tax. So for time deposit, minimum amount na pwede mong i-time deposit is 5,000 pesos and maximum is 500,000 pesos kasi yun yung insured sa PDIC. Flexible term sila from 3 to 12 months. And pwede mo i-pull out yung time deposit mo before the maturity pero meron siyang pre-termination penalty which is 50% of gross interest earned pag na pre-terminate siya at the first half of the tenure. Pero kung second half of the tenure mo siya terminates, 25% of gross interest ang penalty. Other features, zero transaction fees for cash in, online, and over the counter in over 7,500 outlets nationwide. You can also get a free life insurance coverage worth 50,000 pesos. And meron din silang virtual debit card. And coming soon, ang kanilang debit Mastercards, ito yung physical card, so which is the first numberless card in the Philippines. Okay, so now let's move on to the account opening process. So ito yung mga requirements to open an account. 18 years old and above, Filipino citizen, with active mobile number and valid Philippine mailing address, and at least one valid Philippine ID. So now let's go to the account registration process. So first, download mo ang Uno Digital Bank na app. And then open. And then click next ulit. And then click join Uno. Click apply now. And then next enter mo yung mobile number to receive the verification code. And then enter the OTP na pinadala sa phone mo. Next is yung terms and conditions. So basahin mo yung terms and conditions. So sobrang haba nito. Click agree and continue. And then next naman yung data privacy statement. Click agree and continue. And then ito yung mga steps na kailangan mo i-complete to open an account. So there are 3 steps. Scan your ID, take your selfie, and then fill out your personal details. Next, choose the type of ID from the selection below. Next is scan mo yung ID. So yung front lang ng ID ang kailangan i-scan. Next naman ay yung selfie. And then once ma-approve yung selfies, pupunta na sa step 3, so which is yung personal details. Okay, so fill out mo lang yung personal details. Okay, and then click continue. Purpose of opening an account. You need to verify your email address para ka makakontinue sa account application process. Next one is employment and financial details. Employment status, employment type, industry type, nature of work, source of funds. Last part is you need to input your monthly income and then click continue. So next step is for you to check yung summary ng personal details. All right, congratulations. You have successfully opened an account. So the next step is for you to set the password and then set the passcode. Confirm and you're done. Ayan, meron na akong account. Ito ang kanilang dashboard. So, simple lang siya. At ito naman yung mga transactions na pwedeng gawin within the app. Click ko itong My Accounts. Nandito ang savings account details at ang account number na pwedeng gamitin sa bank transactions. Hindi pa available yung feature na ito. Sa offers naman, this feature is coming soon. Sa more, makikita mo dito yung menu nila. You can find their contact details, phone number, email address, and website. So, try natin yung add money. You can add money using PesoNet. So, you can do it via online banking or over the counter. Online banking sa BPI at Union Bank pa lang yung available. But you can also transfer from other banks. So, gamitin mo yung bank account number and transfer via PesoNet. You can send money to other banks. And you can also pay bills, pero limited pa rin yung kanilang payees na nandito sa kanilang app. Bagong-bago pa lang ang UNO Digital Bank sa Philippines, so mainit-init pa. It was launched in the Philippines in October, so more than a month pa lang siya as of the making of this video. Bago pa lang, but I will give it a shot since insured naman sa PDIC up to 500,000 pesos. Tapos 24/7 ang customer service nila as per their website. Pa-subscribe na rin sa aking channel kung bago ka pa lang dito.